What's up, guys? It's your boy scentsbyAMK back again. Today I have a really special fragrance to unbox for y'all. It is none other than Space Rage from the house of Byredo in collaboration with Travis Scott. So for those of you that don't know, Byredo is a really luxurious perfume company based out of, I think it was Sweden or France, I forgot which one, but they really make high quality, upper class, luxurious perfume. It's a niche brand, so it's a little bit harder to find, harder to come by. But if you're looking for like a brand like that, something unique, something different, definitely check it out. They make really quality and nice smelling fragrances. So a little bit about this release. This was released, I think, at the beginning of December, and it was only available for like a limited amount of time. It was on their website. It was on the website of Byredo, and it was also on Travis Scott's website, and it was sold out like within 24 hours. Like everything was gone, and I highly doubt that they're gonna have anything like this again. I don't think that they're gonna restock on it. I think that this was the only time that it was gonna be released, and you know, if we're lucky, it might come back in January, but they haven't even decided yet if they want to bring it back. So as of now, it is a limited release. It's really hard to find. Fortunately enough, I was lucky to find this bottle because I called up a store in Manhattan. I called up the Byredo boutique in Manhattan, and I asked them, hey, do you have any of the Travis Scott fragrance left, the Space Rage? And they were like, yeah, we have a few boxes. And I was like, okay, cool, let me get one. And I went ahead and copped it because it's really hard to find, and I just wanted to have it in my collection. Like as an enthusiast, as a collector, it was something that I had to have. So yeah, this is the box, and let me go ahead and show the box up close. Okay, so as you can see, this is the front. It says Byredo Space Rage Travis Scott Eau de Parfum. This is the 100 ml or 3.3 fluid ounce. As you can tell up close, it's very textured. I can actually feel this design on the box, and I actually went ahead and took the cellophane off before filming this video just because it was hard to take off while on camera, but the cellophane is right there. I actually took it off, so yeah. So that's the front. This is the side of the box. As you can see, it has a little Cactus Jack logo on it, and on the back it has the Byredo logo. Made in France, and that's the Byredo website to go to if you're interested in their fragrances. They make very quality perfume. Definitely check them out. And this is another, Cactus Jack logo on the other side. And this is just, you know, the barcode and other information. That's the batch code right there. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this cover. This comes right off. Let me do this. All right. So there is the little Byredo emblem on the front, and it says Byredo right there on the bottom. Okay, and on the top there's just plain white. Let's look on the side. Yeah, like I showed you earlier. And then right here on the back of the box, it says Byredo in like circular writing. It says Byredo kind of clockwise, as you can see. So now it's time for the official fragrance reveal. So I'm gonna go and take the cover off and reveal what's inside. Okay, so this right here is the bottle itself. I don't want to actually like lift it up just in case it falls down, so I'm gonna kind of show it like this. So the bottle is kind of molded in place into the box, and I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up. So this is the bottle of Space Rage from the house of Byredo in collaboration with Travis Scott. This is a very neat looking design. I love the color scheme on this. It's like this bluish purple hue going on. This fragrance is actually supposed to be space themed. It's supposed to have notes in the fragrance that are inspired by what space would smell like. The official note breakdown on the Byredo website and Travis Scott website when this fragrance was available was like, you know, top notes, atomic dust, middle notes, you know, nebulae or something like that, and then the base notes were like space particles. So there was no official note breakdown. He wanted this kind of just to be inspired by what space would smell like. So it was a very creative little very creative prospect in my opinion. So yeah, that's the bottle. This is actually what all the Byredo bottles look like. They have a kind of cylindrical shape, and then they have this kind of cap on it, like this circular kind of cap on top. This is the bottom of the bottle. Byredo, 100 ml, 3.3 fluid ounce, made in France. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the cap off and reveal the sprayer for you guys. So that's what it looks like without the cap. So I don't want to spray it right now because I don't want to get it everywhere. And so yeah, that's the bottle itself. And then this right here is a little envelope. So that says Byredo on there. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. All right. So unfold this for you. So yeah, this right here is a drawing, I guess like a layout of a spaceship, I think. I don't really know what this is, but yeah, it's kind of like a spaceship astronaut inspired design, which is pretty much what this fragrance is all about. So yeah, this is the bottle itself. Let me show you once again up close. It's a very neat looking bottle, to be honest. I was tempted to buy this off the bottle design alone, and actually before buying it I smelled this in the Byredo boutique in North Park, Dallas. However, they were fully out of stock, so unfortunately I was not able to buy it from there. So yeah, very fortunate to have this in my collection because it's just such a limited release and it's so hard to find, and I'm really glad that I purchased this. I was lucky enough to find a store in New York, in Manhattan, a Byredo boutique that had it, and I called them up and I had it shipped to my house, so it worked out pretty well. So yeah, this is Byredo Space Rage from the house of Travis Scott. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll be posting more unboxing videos soon.